Hi all, welcome to our channel. This topic regarding for how we can creating for if your website will be HTML, PHP, WordPress website, how to create cPanel. First of all, what is a cPanel? cPanel nothing but our control panel. Control panel nothing but our content will be controlled. We can creating for emails. What are the things you can do this? Everything will be controlled by the option name is called cPanel. If you're selecting any kind of hosting, Linux shared hosting, they're providing for one cPanel for multiple websites. They were providing only for one cPanel. Each website will be separate cPanel provider will be that option name is called reseller hosting. 5 cPanel, 10 cPanel, everything. That all will be the option name is called web hosting manager. In this web hosting manager, you can log in your password and username and password. The control panel section will be open. The open will be like this. Any account will be create here. The click option name is called create your account will be here. So here will be what is the particular option. There is a particular option will be here. Any account cPanel will be creating. The option will be used to the in a particular things. So in this, how we can utilize them and how we can create a cPanel that we can discuss. Suppose your website will be abcxyz.com. For example, your username will be same domain name. Password you will be writing for protect your particular password here. So that is the very much of important. So username done, password. So when you enter the password time, so how much your weak your password. So yeah, they will be not matching your fulfill your particular password. So password must be at least 65 length. So you can give for so we can give this every option will be more important for the particular option will use this a particular option. So your particular password will be not matching here. So just we have to use can use yeah. So perfectly matching the password above 675. Less than 65, the password will be not considered. More than 75, the password will be converted into the your particular option. Next for recovery email. Next one is called what is your packages. Next your settings. What are the settings will be? Mail routing. And they will be called, they give option name is called here is the things. What are the options you will be concerned to the particular cPanel creation? Finally, click for option name is called create. There's a fraction of seconds. The control panel will be created on a particular website. What are the website you create the cPanels that all will be data will be uploading and we can save the file purpose. So that is called we have to optimize each and every website on this particular option to will be saved by the in a particular files all will be into the web hosting. That option name is called cPanel. If any interview question where our website file will be saved and data will be stored in a SQL along with that all will be nothing but control panel. So that is the option will be used and utilize the future in a particular option. So any particular cPanel creation purpose, the using for WHM. each individual logins for each website. That option name is called control panel. The name is called Cpanel. All website in one login, that is called shared hosting. Only one Cpanel will be there. You can hosting for all control panel will be in one login and password. You can host n number of website, but only one control panel. But each website separate login, that is called reseller hosting. That is called your separate Cpanel for each website. In the Cpanel, what we data providing our website information, our IP address, and our information, data usage, SQL data, bandwidth, everything we can show on your particular option. So this much of space we have to utilize on your particular hosting option on the particular Cpanel. Based on the space and bandwidth, your website will be working. The functional everything will be checking from the Cpanel option. That is called website control panel. So this control panel is very important. Who are using for WHM, they're creating for Cpanel on your particular website. So this is a method you can follow, create your control panel purpose. If you have any question, please ask me to my channel. And you can any kind of Cpanel, control panel, different hostings. You have any facing problem for creating Cpanel issues, you can feel free to ask them question here. I definitely will be reply for each and every question. If anybody missing for your particular questions, please ask me once again. I definitely will resolve your particular question by using comment box. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.